weeks and months of mystery as to what the outstanding issues were between the Reggae Girlz and the JFF. After the JFF said all the bills to the girls were fully paid up, the girls continued to choose not to represent their country. Well, after all the suspense and the hype, the information is out. A total of 3 individual players owed match fees, baggage fee reimbursements, and Uber fares. A total of approximately $2,500 US. That is the sum total of the outstanding payments owed to the Reggae Girlz. And remember, not all the girls, just 3 members of the squad. So if we take the girls at their own word, the entire World Cup squad continue to turn their backs on the national team for $2,500 US. Now we know the Reggae Girlz did us proud at the World Cup, and respect is due and blah blah blah. And also, this JFF administration is arguably the worst and the most hated in history. But good God, man, fear is fear. To continue to boycott your national team for a few taxi fares, luggage clearance fee, and match fee. Them girls are going too much. Them are going too much, bro. Them are going too much. What you see? Them are going too much.